Rick's Motorsport Electric specializes in hard-to-get vintage electrical parts. We now offer a brand new stator and stator cover gasket for the classic Kawasaki Z1. The stator comes complete with OE-style grommet and connector for easy installation. And don't forget a new stator gasket whenever you replace your stator. Like all Rick's Motorsport Electric stators, this one comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. You can pick up a stator for $164.95 and the gasket for $10.95. Fitments are for the 1976 KZ900LTD, the 76 through 77 KZ900A, 73 through 75 Z1, 77 through 78 KZ1000A, the 77 through 78 KZ1000B LTD, and the 78 KZ1000 Z1R.